You can torture, you can waterboard, you can imprison, you can make places like Guantanamo Bay. You can do all of this, but you will never kill an idea. And that idea is that if only 1 million Muslims marched onto Palestine today, no one will be able to stop them. If 1 million Muslims marched from somewhere like Turkey today, 1 million Muslims, and this idea now it is out there. Now people will grab this idea. This idea can spread into Pakistan. And we know there are millions of people ready in Pakistan alone. A nation like Pakistan. There are people in Afghanistan who are ready. There are people in Iraq who are ready. There are people in Iran who are ready. There are people in Turkey who are ready. There are people in Arabia who are ready. There are people in Egypt who are ready. And their numbers shall exceed 1 million. If those 1 million cross the border and enter into Jerusalem, no one will be able to stop them. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin.